back, guys. Today we're going to be doing a continuation. As you saw in our last video, we did simple pup removal from that George Cavendish. Now we're going to get to a lot harder, more complicated with the removal of this. At this point, it's not even a pup, it's a tree, but ice cream banana tree. All right, so as we see here, we have some of the same tools as last time. We've got the spear shovel. If any of y'all are wondering what brand, Radius, and then this shovel, Cobalt. Fiskars for this. This is the tool that we did not have last time. We could have used it last time, so as you can see, let's start. The advantage of this tool is the roots. So this ice cream banana pup, this is gonna be sold to somebody I know probably for about, I don't know, 60, 70 range. We might be able to talk about it some more, but I want this to have a lot of roots and be perfect to plant next spring. So you see the roots, you can see these roots coming here. I don't want to damage them, and going in this motion away from them, because they're all coming this way, going in that motion gives you the less chance of destroying them, which is why I really like this tool right here. So as we can see, we've been digging out a lot of the roots. I'm trying to leave a lot of these roots intact because I believe they're growing off of this plant right here. So we're just gonna dig around. This job is gonna be a lot more tedious based on the nature of these bananas. So we'll come back. I'll be back in a second whenever I've got a lot more digging out. Okay, so as you can see, we're now gonna be digging up a lot of the outside for the conservation of the roots here. So hopefully we're not snapping any roots, as you'll see in the time lapse and the other GoPro shot. Okay, we just heard a root snap. I was digging around and trying to uproot the roots so they did not get destroyed. So as you can see over here, dug out a big portion of the bottom part, and if you look, it's gonna start to shake. I'm gonna start feeling around, starting to try to separate down in here, Now this is a big plant. This plant is maybe 9 months old, I believe. So it's gonna be a lot of work to get this out of here with no damages. So okay, so now that we've got through it, we cut the trunk point. Okay, this guy still has a lot of roots here. So Henry, put the phone in the tripod. I need you to hold the end of this. All right. Okay, so he's gonna hold the end of this. Hold it up higher. I'm gonna go dig out this direction, hopefully save some roots. So much water. Yeah, these plants are, I don't know, something like 80, hold it, 90% water. Okay, let go, get the camera. This thing is probably weighs, probably weighs 50 pounds, maybe 30 pounds. This thing is not light. Let's put it.
Look at the size.
Man. Let's see, let's look at this core arms attachment point. Where was it attached to? Right here. Sometimes when they get this big, they'll have multiple attachment points. Right here is this one's, and yeah.